Utah Facial Plastics has the latest procedures when it comes to combating aging and helping patients feel their most confident.
Trista Mann is here joining us with this sponsored segment to help us to dive into Sculptra. Now, this isn't something that's new on the market,
right,
but you're talking about it today. First of all, what is it?
So Sculptra is a biostimulator. It's an injectable biostimulator. So what it does is it stimulates your body to create collagen and elastin, which is helpful because as we age, we're losing our collagen and elastin, our fat pads are starting to shrink and separate, and our bones start to resorb. So Sculptra is going to help with the quality of the tissue.
Okay, so a couple of questions here. Who's the best candidate? Does it hurt? And what's the downtime?
So really anybody can do Sculptra. If you're younger, it's nice because it's going to help prevent some of that loss and maintain what you have. And then you can also use it for correction. As far as pain, we make you very comfortable. We'll do injectable numbing sites to help so that you're not really feeling too much of that. And we use a cannula, which is just a bendable tube. It's really tiny, and it glides nicely through the tissue, so very comfortable.
And where are people putting this?
So we really like to do full face corrections, so we'll help with temple hollowing and lifting through there. Cheeks, helping with volume in the cheeks and lifting the cheeks, jawline, and my favorite is the nasolabial folds here.
You're talking about all the places that we need.
She just described me. It was amazing.
I think not just you, Gretchen, but everyone, including me. And it's something that you can get in, maybe look your best during the holidays.
Yes.
Because if you're kind of like feeling all this weather and you're looking for one thing to do that good punch and plump your face and get that energy back and that beautiful skin, this would be it.
Yeah, it's going to help volumize. One thing you have to know with Sculptra is that it's actually stimulating your body to create that collagen. So you're not going to get an instant result with Sculptra. So if you have a big event coming up, filler is a great option for that. Because Sculptra is stimulating your body to use your collagen and improve that tissue, so it does take some time. It's kind of like fertilizing the grass and then waiting for that tissue to just look incredible.
So what is the time people can start seeing some results?
Usually, so we'll do the first treatment, and let's talk about that a little. So usually your dose is a vial for every decade old that you are. So for example, if you're 40, you're going to do 2 vials, and then 4 to 6 weeks later, 2 vials, and then you're done with your big dose. After that, it's just maintenance.
And how long is that? Will that last before the next maintenance?
So we usually recommend 1 vial every year or 2 to maintain.
Oh, that's not bad.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not bad at all.
Yeah, and so usually about 60% of people notice a difference after that first dose. And then when you're doing your second dose, it goes up by 90%, and it just keeps getting better.
Well, that's the thing. That's the exciting part, is that you incrementally see the difference, and you are training your body to get that collagen going. So it lasts all year round.
Yes, and in fact, what I really love about Sculptra is it has more longevity, because with filler you're going to get that instant result, but with Sculptra you're building that up, and so it's going to last for 2 or more years for you.
And so will it eventually dissolve, or is this something that will stay in your skin forever?
So it's kind of, if you think about your collagen's breaking down as you age anyways, so we're building that collagen up. If you didn't do anything more to stimulate that collagen, then it's going to go back to going down, and that's why we recommend maintaining.
Okay, well, Trista, you can make and schedule your appointment now, but also what a great holiday gift for your loved ones or for yourself, because you have a GTU deal happening right now. It's buy 2 vials, get 1 free, and also with Sculptra, right?
Yes, yep.
Okay, so they could they buy the 2 now and do the 3rd one on the 2nd visit?
Yes.
Okay, so then you get your 2 that you talked about, and then they would only really purchase 1.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Exactly.
We gotcha.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Buy more the merrier, and make sure you have everyone covered at this point, because those deals don't happen all the time.
Right.
So get on it right now, schedule it, and for 2025 you are set. Trista, thank you so much. You have locations in Roy and also Draper.
Yes, we do.
Okay.
Sounds